She works on lung cancer in a very interesting way, and you'll hear about her work now. Crystal, congratulations.
Wow, that was quite an introduction, no pressure. Hi. Hi, so I'm Crystal, and my lab focuses, like Troy's does, on long non-coding RNAs. And you can imagine RNAs look like long ribbons that have been folded back on themselves and stuck together in such a way that they can form scaffolds for things to be attached to. They can regulate the expression of proteins and various things. They can actually affect the architecture of a cell. So they're very cool regulatory things that people really don't know much about. Much of the work that's been done in cancer research has been on proteins, which are big globs that words like growth factors or receptors, things that you may have heard of in the cancer field. So lung adenocarcinoma is the major histological subtype of lung cancer. Lung cancer is the #1 cause of cancer-related death. So we're focused on this really new and novel class of regulatory elements in what is one of the most, it is the most common cause of cancer-related death. So the specific regulatory RNA that I study, link 00261. I sound like a robot when I say that, seriously, because it's this long name that, you know, they got lazy naming things. But it's really interesting because it's lost in cancer cells, and we think that in the normal context, it's actually helping to prevent DNA damage from propagating. So when DNA damage propagates, you get aberrant proliferation, you get the cells growing all over the place, and tumors happen, bad things. And another thing that we think our link is regulating is metastasis, which is the migration of a cell outside of its normal context. And that's actually what causes the majority of cancer-related death. So with the money from Stop Cancer, we're going to be figuring out how the link affects the migration of cells. Thank you.